I just have to change the title very quickly. There we go. We are ready. How was your weekend, Ian? I know where I should put this. I'll put it here. Yeah, I'll put it there. Yes, more. There's more often than not, there's nothing there anyways. Feels great. Market's still pushing higher. Maybe it doesn't even need a pullback. I'll be right back one sec, guys. Alright, we are back. Sorry. Had to, there's no music either? Kidding me? Okay, there is. I was gonna say, Jesus. Had to go make myself coffee, sneeze, change into something more comfortable. All that good stuff. Now we're back. Um, Hopefully we take a trade soonish. You know, I'm not itching to take one, but I do would like to take one. If we could take this high retrace. So we shall see. We shall see what we get. How's it? How's this on 6? There's no way if I take a trade, it's 6 cons. Uh, how was your weekend, Ian? Just take it easy. Just take it easy. I think yes might take it first. Make like a some kind of SMT. Give us the retrace. But I did get on it like a little earlier. Usually I start trading around 9:25. So this is uncharted territory for me right now. Mm. So yeah, the goal here is to catch the long. So even if we do end up getting the retrace, we're not getting that. Uh, Best case scenario, we could get an entry around here in any of these fair value gaps. Um, Worst case scenario, like every single day last week, we get left out. But last week's action was miserable. I saw a bunch of other influencers slash streamers like say how they lost money last week. So this is why being patient and stuff pays off more often than not. Because they're eager to take a trade and show their chat that they're so good. Where I'm just like, I'm just doing me, you know? Uh, what's going on here? Okay. Why is this open? Okay. Okay, Marcus ripping. Market's ripping. Yes, he's gonna take the high now, probably before market open. Yes, and he's probably gonna wait for market open. Get a slight pullback. I'm gonna enter the long probably. I don't think I need an EQ. Usually if it takes this, just start dilly dally. Maybe pull back to like here. Send it. We'll see. I'm writing the script right now for the next Smart Money Academy. Well, it's not really scripts, but like bullet points to make sure I go over everything. And when I think of something, I write it down just so I don't forget it. Next one won't be as big as the other one, a lot of the past few ones, but I think it's an important one to go over before we keep going. It's gonna be about confidence, more so like just the confidence in setup, understanding like your edge, uh, trusting yourself, consistency, how to handle doubts. I think it's a pretty important one. 13-minute still market open and yes took the high. No real. PG. Here, but fucked. This is really low. There's no way we go back all the way to there. Oh, cushion now. Sorry, that was a good deal for a flight that we're going on vacation because we're gonna be moving to Costa Rica. So we're taking a 3-week vacation in October. Try to see if we'd like it, see how we would go about setting up banks and shit over there and all that stuff. And yeah, there's a good deal that came out. Like we're paying say X amount for a flight. Well, for like 10% more, we get the return flight too. It's crazy. But whatever, it's fine. We'd have to go like later in the year, and I don't want that. Ah, market opens at 8 minutes. We're currently pull backing a little bit. Yep, creating words now. I'm creating words now. We are definitely pull backing. It's not pull backing anymore. It's going straight for the high. Market's gonna open. It's gonna rip up. I already know. Like Monday, wake up and buy. I don't care about this, by the way. I I do think we're still going higher today. Feeling I have. I don't really care that we take the high. I want the 1 minute here. What's my? I need to fix my posture too. I should be like this. I'm just waiting for a pullback. Market's gonna open in 3 minutes here. Again, I'm expecting either a pretty steep pullback, just stop everybody to enter pre-market, or just a rip higher instantly. To be honest, I would rather get the pullback than the rip. The rip would be kind of annoying, especially that we're at the Monday end of an FP, which is the only Monday where my win rate's actually really good. That's why all the other Mondays now I don't take trades usually. This is the only Monday where I'm allowed to take a trade of the month. So hopefully we get some actual decent action and not some bullshit that we had the past week. Friday I couldn't trade, but Friday I would have won though. Friday after I looked at this, I knew that I would have made money that day. It's really easy. I could see my model playing out right there. Very easy. Okay. Market opens here. Here, right? So at this point you get your sweep, right? Displacement up, pulls back, resweeps to the low. This is what I do. SMT with here, pulls back up with displacement, closes this, and pulls back to this inefficiency here on the probably EQ. Yeah, EQ. Dang, I would have been in right here. I would have gotten this whole move. That's kind of sad that I couldn't trade Friday. Whatever. I don't even remember why I couldn't trade Friday. But whatever. There's the pullback I want. Good. This is very low though, but you know what? If it wants to go get these two, I don't care. All right, market opens out. Here we go. Oh, off, bro. Oh, wait. I think I'd rather go half size on this. Okay, this is like fairly aggressive trade here. If it takes the high, it's over. Okay. It's gonna go one shot. You want to see the candle? It's gonna go bang. Okay. This is the last line of defense here. This 15-minute, 15-second. The 30-second too, but oh, is it edging me again? Okay, we're in. No, we're in. So stopped out. Okay. I'm going B because of the FEG right here, and this is a 15-second trade, so it could move very, very fast. I'm stopped. Okay, I don't mind that. All right, that is worth a try, but it could definitely go to lower than that. It edged my SL too. Thank God. Oh, it's gonna go, isn't it? I mean, if it inverses this, decent. Kind of bouncing around right now. I'm gonna let it bounce around. Oh, there we go. Might be going back for the low. I don't know if the trade that I took maybe lose or gain. Oh, I got $2 from it. Easy peasy. And I was going for the low. Okay, there we go. Took the low again. Did ES take the low again? God no. Big SMT. Right here. Massive SMT. Okay, pulling back. We're pulling back quite steeply as well. This is good. This is exactly what I wanted. But okay. I was gonna need to put it higher, like this. I'm happy we didn't take the. Oh my God! Look at this pullback we're getting. Call that shit on live with the big SMT too. Dude, the last FEG right here. This is the one I wanted to see. Be gone. Be on the 15-second. Honestly, inverse this. I'm in. Literally all we need. I'm in. To go like this. Maybe we could go lower. That BQ as well. This on realistically, if it's not this one, I would want it to be this one and not this one. That does it. Because this one's an OTE and this one's untapped. This one's filled here. This one's filled here and here. This one's untapped. Okay. Oh, so this one here. Is there a 15-minute? It's untapped? No. I mean down here, but we're not going down there. We're going down there, we're stopped out already. This gone. This gone. This gone. This gone. Like this. Stop here. Yeah, this is the real one that we're looking out for. That we want. Big tap on EQ here. Look at the strength of EQ. If it inverses this 1 minute, probably not gonna go lower. If it respects it, it's probably going to this. It's 5 minute here. But do you see the SMTs that it's creating? I know there's the SMT at the highs, but again, my narrative is bullish. So like like NQ is on its way to taking this, which is here on ES, right? And ES still wants higher. But when NQ takes it, it's gonna go. Alright, come on, just go like down here. Here. It's looking like it wants to go higher though. I'll be honest. I don't like that it's accumulating like this. It needs to accumulate, manipulate, distribute. That's what it needs to do. We're on the higher time frame EQ. Here we respected OTE on the New York range. Maybe we don't get this 5 minute. This 5 minute is higher time frame OTE. It's gonna create a 5 minute here. Which is not like super ideal. But ES looks like it wants to rip. On the 1 minute, you could look at this and take it as like a sweep, drop, market structure shift for value gap, pullback entry, whatever. I think if we go higher first before going here, we're more likely to go lower. If we go lower first, we're not gonna go higher. Oh, we are, but pretty much the first move that happens is gonna be the fake one. If it goes higher first, then we're bearish. If it goes lower first, we're bullish. All right. Super bullish. Yes, wants higher. Inverse this. Maybe enter off the inverse. Such a skewed trade. I need to put the stop like below the FVG like this. Or below the inverse. And that FVG here. I guarantee you a lot of influencers are in shorts right now. Guarantee it. Shorts are not the move. They look like the move. They're not the move. When you call my phone, oh. Alright. Before going, just come back, bro. Time. Just give it to me one time. Okay, you don't need to go now. You're good. Macro starts in like 8 minutes. Relax, buddy. All good. All good. Don't worry. A massive wick. Look at this wick. Oof. How bullish is that wick? Look at this candle. Oof. The 5-minute inverse, actually. That opens right here. Just pull back. Just pull back. Should we send this trade all the way to here? For 1 to 18? Oh. It took the high. Mother effer. Alright, no entries for me. Now that I took the high, it's a little crazy to enter, but I would still be willing to take longs. And after this pullback, is it really going to pull back some more? Where's the 5-minute inverse? I'd be willing to enter on this 5-minute inverse. Just target higher. Realistically, though, I don't think we get a pullback today. And also, I don't know if we go all the way. I think if I was to take a trade right now, it would just be like a filler trade, which is just a trade between buy sides and sell sides. This thing's ripping. This thing's absolutely ripping. While we wait for a pullback, I'll be right back in 1 second, guys. So I'm guessing we're not gonna get a pullback. I mean, look, this is bigger time frame. Um, breaker block. Okay, so sweep goes lower, breaks back higher. Where's our breaker? Right here. FEG here. I'm entering right here. This is the entry. If it pulls back, so it might actually. That's what market likes to do. Okay, I'm clipping that shit if it doesn't. It will go up enough for EQ to be where the next entry is going to be. So I'm guessing market is going to be going all the way up before going back down. This is my guess. And it lines up with standard deviation. So, yeah. This line right here is where market is going. Okay, right here. And then it's going to go back down. It's going to take this. It's going to go back up. Unless we're talking about it's substantially, or not substantially, but it's essentially the same thing. If I'm right, you guys need to follow, subscribe, comment, and do all of it. Mm. Okay. Is there a way, does anybody know if there's a way to sync your phone calendar with your computer calendar so that you could just have access to it? Anybody knows about all that? Oh my god, wait, I was on my phone 1 second. Why did it do that? Why did it do that? Okay, this is where I would usually enter. Is there a 5 minute? There is. Cool beans. So if I want to confirm my entry, I would need this candle to close above here. Or the oh, what did I click on? Fuck out of here. But the CISD. If we do that, I'm uh I'm willing to take the trade. CISD up here. And again, I'm just gonna like target like I don't even know what I'm gonna target to be honest. There's no real targets to the left of us, so you guys just tapped OT of this 5 minute range and the 5 minute fair value gap here. With how bullish ES is, I could literally do the same entries above here. CISD. And if I was to take this trade here, right like this. Cool. Tap TQ. Well. What do you know? Instant reaction from it. The risk is better on the ES one. Then again, I could bring this back, but I could see market go all the way down to here though. Rather not though. Mm. Maybe that was a sweep. Mm.
Hey guys, I
Well, that's actually crazy that the market's moving like that right now. All right, so take all this shit out. We might be looking to run all these. Uh, and this one included. I mean, to be fair, if we get a pullback, I might be looking into that short to here, the lows here. This would be my last target right here, because I'm not actual super bearish. Oh, it's gonna go instantly. What do we think about? We go back here, we take that like that. With it being so clear where we want to go. Gonna create the SMT, although we already have the SMT. Go now. Bang. I mean, if I was to enter on this one here, it's a very small scalp. Like this. I took it. Yeah. Mm. So now that I took this IDM, which is inducement, right this SMT here. I hate SMTs that cut through price action like this. I hate them. I feel like they don't work. They're just like, if you put your line for the SMT like this and it cuts through price action, is the worst SMT I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna be honest. Could take all these lows too here, but oh, Loki rather not. FEG here. CISDs here. Loki, this could be a good entry. To be honest, for a long like this, and then very good, very good, and then put that to have some like kind of targets. I do think we could go lower though, and fill up this FEG a little more. We'll see on the displacement that we get. This is not enough. This is not enough. This is still not enough. Oh, if it close like that, that's enough. Yeah, it's enough. I'm gonna go half risk, bro. We're Monday. Not the biggest fan of what's going on. Go long. I don't even think I like longing after this move. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know what I feel about it. I need to pull back right now. The problem is that there's no real. Is there a 1 minute? There's a 1 minute. Okay. All right, give me the pull back now. Give it to me. Pull back. No. Pull back, bro. Pull back. Pull back one time. Can we pull back just one time?
I've trained in MMA
Oh,
for a number.
what's going on? What just started? Can we pull back, bro? Just one time. Okay. A little more steep than I would want it to be. Oh. Respect all the FPGs. I don't think we're going much lower than that. That's all I needed to fulfill the move, at least to EQ. But I could be wrong. I just ended a 5 minute right here. What about it? NQ also 5 minute. I'm tempted to take this off. I'm gonna take it off. Oh, it is exactly my model. Like literally to the T. You leaving? It's currently at the breaker in the uni for the short. Not gonna work out. All right, so before I call it quits, let me just let me just give you guys a little trade recap. Um, all right, so a little trade recap here for you guys. I wanted to enter off of this here to go long. I was just waiting for. Actually, hold on. Let me clear out some stuff for you guys. Okay, so I was waiting for a pullback, so I marked out my classic OTE EQ. We got a perfect respect of the OTE here. Enter right here. Stop at the previous low. Target the high. And it's a wrap. That's literally all it was. I was bullish on the day. We got the pullback that I wanted. No sweep though. Happens. We had an SMT here at the low. We had already gotten some pretty decent moves here. I knew we didn't need to go take these two here before taking the high because we were so bullish. So I just took the long and GG. So yeah. Oh. Yo, what up, Luna? How's it going, bro? Oh, you followed. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it very much. I was about to call it a quiz, but I'm starting to kind of like this action. Doing great. Thank you for asking. Kind of starting to like this here. If you have any questions, Luna, don't feel bad. You can ask anything. Uh, definitely games on stream. I can, I have, but uh, it really depends on like the specific day. If the action is really bad, honestly, sometimes I do. What's the game you play? Yeah, Marcus is a little too choppy right now. I'm not willing to get involved in this, to be honest. I'm gonna go to tomorrow. Oh. Actually, I'm gonna keep this outside. Actually, not staking. What am I saying? What am I saying? SMT's absolute garbage. I never played Phasmophobia. I heard it was really, really fun to play with friends, though. I played a bit of Resident Evil as well with my friends, but I used to like the OG ones. Like I prefer the Resident Evil 2, 3, 4, 5 over the newer ones. Although I heard the last one was really, really good, but I didn't play it. And I have no idea what Stardew is. Let me go check it out real quick. Stardew. Stardew Valley? Is that what it is? Has crazy good reviews. You've inherited your grandfather's old farm plot in Stardew Valley, armed with hand-me-down tools and a few coins. You set out to begin your new life. Can you learn to live off the land and turn these overgrown fields into a thriving home? Yeah, I heard 7 was the good one because it was like more of a horror game vibe, and then Resident Evil 4 is just goated with is it Leon? Is that his name? I think it's Leon, right? Yeah. Resident Evil 4 is goated. Let me go check out Resident Evil 7. It's the one I'm talking about. Which Resident Evil 7 is the one that's more like a horror game, right? Yeah, it has really good reviews. Is it like a campaign type of thing, or you can just like kind of play for like all the time? You should join my Discord server, Luna, where we keep all the inner circle on my link tree. I have played a lot of horror games though to answer your question, but yeah, Resident Evil 5 here. Resident Evil 5 was pretty goated. I played through it like once, not once. I played through it like 2, 3 times. Resident Evil 6, I did not fuck with as much, to be honest. I thought it was like a weird direction they took. If not, I played a bunch of multiplayer games with friends. I played Elden Ring recently, which is pretty good. By pretty good, I mean really awesome. Look. So yeah, that's pretty much my. I could, I could show my. Hold on. I could show my. Uh, you do. That's awesome. Uh, hold on. I have this screen that I've been trying to like get animated, and it's when I start my stream, I have this. But
I've been trying to animate it myself, but it's like I can't do it. I wanted it's supposed to be like the bottom three like words thingy there is supposed to like move to the side type of thing, like and like kind of like if it was going in a continuous circle, and the rest is just supposed to like move like slightly, you know? Of course. Everything's in my bio. If you want to go check it out, I can link my Insta. This is my IG and the Discord. Um, I don't know how to invite people to this to Discord. To be completely honest. Oh, there we go. This is the Discord. Oh, okay. Guess it's not. It's actually not gonna work. Are they dumb? They're masking for the stream. Whatever. Um, and this is the Discord. Friend zone. Oh. There we go. That's done. Where's Discord now? I like the Discord too. Yep. Uh, there we go. Do you trade at all, Luna? All right, I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna stop the stream on YouTube.